I think is the foremost broadcasting, television or corporation in the country, if not, in fact, in the continent, particularly in the West African sub-region. And I have been alive when it was, it started operations, and I know everything about it, and I have remained very, very close to the corporation since then. I think it has done extremely well in unifying the country in the sense that it has been able to bring about, development in all parts of the country, to the attention of Nigerians, and whether culturally or otherwise, it's been a fantastic, development. I am wishing AIT another 25 more years of a more vibrant, broadcasting station, both in terms of television and radio. And I believe as we move or as we develop into more digital, environment across the world, I believe they will also move along with the development.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.